All right, let's review basic point creation. I already have my project and my job loaded, and I want to create points. I'm going to go to this square right here, which is single mode. I'm going to tap it, and notice how it turns gray. And then I have my object snapped options. I can have, if it's turned on, it's gray. If I unclick it and it's not gray, that means it will not look for that object snap in the drawing. Again, we have midpoint or the center point of a circle. We have intersection. We have endpoints. We have midpoint in the middle of the line. And then we have just a normal node or an object snap. Again, notice how I just turned all of them on. I can do them all at one time, or again, if I'm looking for something more specific, so maybe like the center of a circle, watch as I hover my mouse over this circle. Notice how we have these three plus signs. Those are the circles or the center of circles that the program has found. I want this one, so I'm going to click one time, and now I have my LP1. So I can go along now, and as long as I have the crosshair that I want, I can just click and create multiple points using single mode based off of this object snap. Again, you can have them all on at one time, but notice how they will hover over anything that you've selected as the object snap. So there's many options here if I wanted to create points this way. Or again, I can maybe say, you know what, I just want to look for intersections of lines. And again, whatever intersection of two lines, it will actually let me put a point. And all I'm doing is just clicking the mouse once. Let's try the midpoint now, maybe the middle of this line. Notice how it will find the middle of that line automatically. And that is simple point creation using single mode.